Importance of cloud computing. When it comes to technology, the cloud is a big deal. The cloud is a computing platform that enables users to access applications, data, and other resources from anywhere, anytime. This means that you can access your personal information from wherever you are, and it's easy to deploy new software without needing to worry about updates or upgrades. It also means that there is no longer one single point of failure. If something goes wrong with the cloud server, your data is still safe. The rise of the cloud has led to an explosion in the amount of data being stored or processed on computers around the world. The need for faster processing speeds and greater storage capacity has led many companies to invest heavily in cloud-based solutions instead of installing their own servers at each location. This can be expensive because it involves hiring more staff members who are responsible for managing and all these servers, but it also means that they do not have much downtime when something goes wrong with one of them, which would otherwise mean having to shut down operation until repairs could be made.
General purpose mainframe and mini computer area. Mainframe are a type of computers that generally are known for their large size and amount of storage processing power and high level of reliability. They are primarily used by large organizations for critical missions, applications requiring high volume and data processing. Many computers, the capacity of processor used is almost the same as the mainframe, only the number of the terminals that can be connected to the computer is not as much as that on mainframe computers. The mini computers are only stable for middle class companies that are not so big and not too small.
Personal computer. IBM launched the personal computer, which was revealed at the press conference in New York in 1981. It had the ability to connect to ATV set, play games, and word process. Personal computer is a multi-purpose computer whose size, capabilities, and price made feasible for individual use. Personal computers are intended to be operated directly by an end user rather than the computer expert or technician, unlike large, costly mini computers and mainframe. Time sharing by many people at the same time is not used with the personal computers. Advantages of client-server network. Centralization. The main advantage of client-server network is centralized control that it's integrated with the necessary information are placed in a single location. This is especially beneficial for the network administrator since they have the full control over management and administration. Whatever the problem that occurs in the entire network can be solved in one place. Also, as due to this, the work of updating resources and data has become way more easier. Security. In client-server network, the data is well protected due to its centralized architecture. It can be enforced with access controls such that only authorized users are granted access. On such method is imposing cardinalities like username and password. Moreover, if the data were be lost, the file can be easily recovered from a single backup.
Scalability. Client-server networks are highly scalable. Whenever the user needs, they can increase the number of resources such as clients and servers. thus increasing the size of the server without much interruptions. Even if the size gets increased, there is no hesitation about permission to network resources since the server is centralized. Therefore, a smaller number of staff are required for the configurations. Management: since all the files are stored in the central server, it is rather easy to manage files. The client-server network has the best management to track and find records of recorded files. Accessibility: irrespective of the location or the platform, every client is provided with the opportunity to log into the system. By this way, all the employees will be able to access their corporate information without needing to use a terminal mode or a processor.